Good day everyone, I am Mark Daryl Casil. So today, we are going to talk about how to be prepared during wet and dry season. But before, did you know that the Philippines only have two seasons? That's right, we only have two seasons. That is, dry season and wet season. Dry season. The dry season is the time of a year when there is little to no rainfall, resulting in hot temperatures, dry air, and often drought conditions in some areas. How to prepare for the upcoming dry season? Conserve water and store enough for daily use. Stay hydrated and wear light clothing. Avoid outdoors activities during peak heat. Keep your home fire safe and check electrical wiring. Monitor weather updates and advisories. Prepare an emergency kit with essentials. Next is wet season. The wet season in the Philippines, which lasts from June to November, brings heavy rainfall, high humidity, and frequent typhoons, often causing floods and landslide in various regions. How to prepare for the upcoming wet season? Ensure you have enough food, water, and other necessities to last a few days in case of power outage or disruption. Prepare an emergency kit. Include items like first aid kit, flashlight, batteries, and any necessary medications. Charge your phone and other device. Ensure your devices are fully charged in case of power outage. Stay informed. Regular check weather forecasts and advisories from local officials. Have an umbrella and raincoat ready. Stay dry when going out during the rainy season. By following these simple steps, you can stay safe and comfortable during both wet and dry season. That's all. Thank you for listening.